I'm at Lapp since 2006. Since 2007, I tried to win the Eddie Lapp Award.
We won the prize for an all-in-one solution to produce solar harnessing on site. Solar harnessing today is a manual process. Our product, the Lapp Solar Trailer, is unique in the market. Nobody is offering this solution, and we bring an additional benefit to the customers. Today's practice in the field: you have to cut the cable, you have to strip the cable, you have to crimp the pin, you have to attach the connector and to tighten the cap nut. With our solution, you get rid of all these process steps, all these potential failures, and the tools. You just type in the cable length, press enter, and you have the product in hands.
As engineers, we tried to solve all the issues occurring in the field, but then we learned there is a human error. So we designed a machine who can proceed and process harnessing automatically. We talked to insurance auditors, we scanned damage reports, and one of the main issues today is, in the case of a fire, there's uncertainty. We don't know which connection is good, which is bad. With our semi-automated process, every aspect which is critical for a good connection is measured and proved by sensors. This will be documented in a report from our customers.
This innovation is a tremendous improvement. A proper documentation will help us to avoid any faults on site after the completion of the solar plant.
Working on problems with Alex is always an experience. There are so many new ideas and new thinking that it's always a pleasure to do it.
It was absolutely perfect feeling to see that our solution is, in the appointment of the jury, the right way to move forward.
That's the most technical and engineering prize we have in the company, so I'm super happy to finally win it.
It was an honor for us to take the prize. Thank you for that.